This is the third video on converting a 3-rail to 2-rail Lionel ALCO S4 Switcher. In the previous two videos, we showed the possibilities of what we could install in the original truck side frames, but in this video, if we were to install the ALCO Type A truck under this body, we would then be able to say that we have an S4. So going from an S2 to an S4. And so this is a finished version where we've got the ALCO Type A trucks under the chassis. We've mounted the motor. We're using a tower drive, and you can see the drive shafts all connected with universal joints. The original ones had a proof of concept where we could actually use our helical drives in the original side frames. We could substitute the helical for a chain drive. And there's so many options available to you when you do conversions. So for example, we could have made this tower a little higher so the drive shaft's more in line with the motor shaft, that type of situation. It just depends on what you have to work with. We made slight modifications to the inside of the body, and we also made slight modification underneath the chassis for the bolsters with a washer between the bolster and the chassis to give us the right height on the floor of the locomotive, and also consideration for the couplers. The only other piece of work that we would do probably is on the pilots a little bit, make them look more to scale with a KD coupler. And when all is said and done, as we showed in the previous video, you could take the hood and stick it on there like this, give it spread it a little bit, and it'll snap right into its original holes here for holding the hood down. And then it's just a matter of reinstalling the cab, and you've got a finished locomotive. Now, I didn't wire this up yet because it shows better on the video without all the wires, but again, depending on how you want to feed current, whether you're using DCC, power on board, or just direct current to the motor from your 2-rail, that's kind of up to the modeler. So we thought you'd enjoy seeing kind of the finish-up version of this and understand what your possibilities are when you go about doing a conversion.